Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your profile on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can customize our profile on CapCut. We can go to our profile right here by clicking on this menu. Okay, and here you can click on view profile. Right, and this is my profile on CapCut guys. And if we want to customize our profile, we can click on edit profile, and here we'll be able to change our profile photo, change our nickname, CapCut ID, gender, bio, and also links on our CapCut profile. And the first one, I'm going to change my profile photo. I'm going to select my photo from this pins folder. Okay, I'm going to select this cat as my profile photo. Okay, then I'm going to click on confirm. And the second one, I'm going to change my nickname. Okay, now my profile photo has been changed, and I'm going to change my nickname as well. I'm going to add this nickname. Okay, click on done. Alright, now my nickname has been changed as well. And we can also change the CapCut ID, but I'm not gonna change it, so I'm just going to click on confirm. Wait guys, I'm gonna change it. I'm going to add this ID. Alright, click on confirm. Click on done. And then you can change your gender as well, but I'm not gonna display my gender. And you can add your bio right here. You can get more followers by adding a bio to your profile, but I'm not gonna add bio. And here you can link your TikTok account and your YouTube account to your CapCut. You can add link right here guys. You can add your TikTok link and also your YouTube link, but you need to log into TikTok and log into YouTube with your account to link your YouTube account and TikTok account to CapCut. Okay, and now it's done. And as you can see that my profile has been changed. You need to refresh it to view the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to customize our profile on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!